Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul. In this video, we are going to discuss about how you can remove the background from your image by using an AI tool. So, without any delay, let's start. I have already opened the website on my Google Chrome browser, so you just need to follow the link which is available in the video description as well as available on our official Telegram channel, and you will able to reach that AI tool. This AI tool comes from Pixlr free background remover. So here it is.
Add Pixlr, download app bedroom, language.
Also, they have some other AI features, AI options.
Remove background by Pixlr Suite. Login. Sign.
You don't need to log in.
Try Pixlr. Remove back by Pixlr. Free at one. Our state of the art. Select photos. Remove background.
So just click on this select photos.
Android system.
Choose your photo from the directory. So let me choose.
Complete action. Five. Cancel.
Complete action using file.
6312000289321 files and images out of not take large. Not files and 6312000289321.
I'm choosing this. This is our logo.
Chrome. Our state of the art.
Now you just need to scroll up with your two fingers. Otherwise, the save button will not work. So now I'm swiping from left to right.
Select photos room. Bedroom. Square. Crop. Close. Download. Save. Plus. Save.
So just click on this save.
Download file downloaded option available near top of the screen.
So the file is now downloaded, which you can easily find from the downloads folder. So let me go to my directory.
Home. Overview. System lock. Google Play Store, and Chrome. WhatsApp Business Watching. Google Play Store, WhatsApp Business Watching. Chrome. Unlocked. Home. But Solid Explorer.
I'm in the download folder.
Notification.pdf. YouTube Pro. 6 mod 10000 com. Model notification. YouTube Pro. 6 items. Telegram. 1. Notification shade. Chrome. Bullet now. 6312000289321890872.png. Download complete 217.46 KB.
Okay, so now it's downloaded. Let's see.
Com.miley.321531623215. Download 69. 10 model notification. 631200028.
Yes. So let me open this.
SE image viewer.
If you can see my screen, you can see that the background of this image is removed. So this is the way you can easily remove your background from the image. So if you like this tool, definitely press the like button and share this video with your community. Don't forget to share your feelings into the comment section. If you want to join us, you can join us on various social media handles. All the handles are available in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon in the next video. This is Ritul signing off.